Should you study in morning or at night? Look, me, this is depend on you, in your influence, in your category of the type. If you are a night people, you observe that your most productiveness is at night. You should study at night. But if you think that you are productive at morning, you should read and study in morning. This is totally depend on you. What you think about that? You think about studying night is perfect for you, as well as you think studying morning is perfect for you. There are the two factions of the word studies that we will having the finding according to research. Those who study in the morning versus those the people who study at the night. There are the many people they told that the my perfect time to study is the night because I feel relaxed and there is a no type of the violence and no type of the sound that moment of the time, so that's a perfect time for me to studying and doing my perfect things which I love to do. Actually, I have been tired both during my time of the college to studying at day and studying at night. And if you want to know whether you should study in morning or at night, here are the short answer. Actually, if you thinking about to studying in morning or studying in night, student who have more energy during the day, they can study at day, and student who have a less energy at daytime, they can study at a night because that is the relaxed time and that is the without any sound of the time, and you can focus more at night. But probably find there is a better able to focus at night for many of the people who don't like to study at the daytime. While those who have more energy and focus in morning would be benefit from studying in the morning, finding the what work for you and it is stick to it. But if you want to more detail like how when you to keep studying, you should be having there is a lot of the benefit to studying in morning. Although most college student and most college age student prefer to study later in evening because after colleges they have they got their work homeworks and many other things. They found morning study session preferable most of the time. And some of the benefit of that benefit of studying in the morning, you should first of all your mind is fresh because of when you first wake up from the good night sleep, your mind is relaxed and the mind can focus to what you are going to grab from the studying material and ready to absorb information. If you are going to study in the morning, go to bed at the time so you don't feel like a zombie in the morning. Even drinking early bird is not substitute for sleep. You wake up in the morning and just take a glass of the water, and after taking a glass of the water, you should be focused to whatever the information you want to grab from the study material, and that will the after getting the 8 hour of the sleep, your mind will also feel so much relaxed. And in fact, Indian culture speak about Brahma Muhurta. Okay, in Indian culture, we think about morning time is the best time for the studying, and that's a Brahma Muhurta period of the day, roughly 1.5 hours before sunrise, in which the mind and body are the sharpest. And many CEOs in the world, in the planet, they told us that morning at 4 a.m. is the one of the biggest and one of the good time in our life that we can absorb the qualityest work, which is our mind is so productive at that moment of the time. Even the co-founder founder of the Amazon, he Jeff Bezos, he do his most productive and most important work at the morning routine before his dinner and anything, before his breakfast even. Why he did his most of the important meetings at morning, because he think that morning is the best time for me and that is the most productive for time for me to talking and to giving the my best decision, because they think that my I as a founder of a company, my time is very precious and I am not going to do many things. I am going to take decisions which is making the billions of the profit, which are going to be making millions of losses. So they are going to take most important decisions on the behalf of the company. So that's why he was thinking that a morning routine and morning time is very best time for me to doing any meetings and doing any very productive work at that moment of the time. But the other culture have a similar brief, but it's a boiled down to doing most important task early in the morning, like meditation, yoga, reading, and studying, etc. Additionally, if you can study after a morning run, studies have shown exercise improve association memory, your brain ability to retain information, and after doing the retain information, your brain can capture the information for always the time of the period of the time, and which is more important to productive in studying. Essentially, exercise is not only good for your body but sharpening your mind as well. So if you look at out the culture of our corporate, many companies now these days having the gym in their own company offices, because they think that our employees, if keep we will keep them healthy, then they are going to work a bit more and they are going to becoming more healthier. So that's why the exercise is not only good for your body but it's sharpening your mind as well. That's why many people prefer to do exercise at morning. Studying in the morning can also set up the for the success, especially if you make your bed beforehand. You are in control in your life, and controlling the little thing is important if you want to do the big thing right too. Making your bed exercise and studying first thing is the morning are all great productive things to do that you have to complete control over. Even if you can only do one of the three, you will feel a sense of the pride afterward, which will carry over other aspect of your day. Do this every day and you will have some pretty darn good habit after a while, after a time period, and the retaining time period doing day after day. And this is the best time to doing everything and making the habit. There is a one my statement which I have explained in my books, how to be productive, how to be productive and overcome procrastination. That was if you feeling the non-productive, you should have a checklist of your most important things, and you do first your most important things and then do your least important things. And there was my I have written some rules there, 80 by 20 rules, which I prefer. If you have 10 things important things, find out two important things which is more important for you, and the eight that is least important for you. So yeah, that lastly I have found out that study in the morning, particular morning, is the test the help to retain information, and it's not otherwise it will forget if you are not retain anything many times. That's why in our colleges, our schools, teachers and the teaching community told us that you should retain revision, do your subject, because that will help you to retain your information in your brain. So yeah, this was the video about the should you study in the morning at night. Thank you so much for watching this video.